you know, these big heavy candles pre-market. So I'm not really sure what's happening yet. So we'll see at open. But as of right now, things are not looking good. I'm still pretty bullish towards the upside. That doesn't mean that we won't actually come back down super hard. Let me see if I can find, there we go. So let me get this. This can turn to be white, and then I can make it a little smaller. So, I mean, yeah, you're right on trend, right? Especially on the, I mean, I guess I can make this into like a channel and stuff so we can be, right? So get rid of this. Run this as a channel to the low side from here. Boom. It's perfect. And then you actually have your, yeah, I guess I call this like a nice little set channel. Like right here or to the lows possibly. Yeah, let's do that. So you're hitting that mid channel, so you might see like a small bounce there, right? And let's do this. Oh wait, no. Undo. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this channel. And then we can use these for today because that's our most recent trend. So we'll do that. So we'll do this. You're really selling off. You're really selling off right now. There you go. So we can use that. So again, you're on that downtrend. You could bounce from here and go like this, right? Or your next level is going to be somewhere down here like at 424. That's a very, very easy, basic market structure, right? On these channels. So we'll see what happens. You're under major resistance. I mean, on the 4 hour, you're gonna close a bear trigger in 2 hours, right? And then, you know, it doesn't seem like you're gonna be recovering anytime soon on this, right? You're just consistently selling off right now on the SPY, and there's no reason. There's like no piece of news that's coming out of 444. Even the Nasdaq, right? You just broke some major lows, and I think next level you're probably coming down to at least 14,730, something like that. So we'll see what happens. I think consistency right now on the 4 hours already on a bear trigger, so I could definitely say I'm more biased to the bear side right now. And QQQ and SPY are, you know, pre-market, they've sold off pretty nicely, right? So you already sold off $2 or $3 actually on QQQ, and on SPY I think you've already sold off like $2. So we'll see what's going on. There you go for $2, and then the dollar is coming down, which is kind of weird. I'm surprised this thing isn't moonshotting to like the upside. And then we can probably look at VIX and see where VIX is probably moonshot. Yeah, there you go. So VIX is going to be running up for a bit. Let me see if there's any gaps here. Do we have a gap here? I feel like we do have gaps. Yeah, you have a gap down here on 17.7. So that gap, VIX doesn't like gaps, so you know that's definitely gonna come down eventually. But you're still pushing up super hard here on the VIX. So yeah, do not be surprised if you actually see like a super hard, you know, drop today, right? But we'll see what happens at open. You know, can't really say if I'm bullish. I'm still bullish-ish. Longer term, right? I sort of a pop back up. I don't know why we're selling off right now, but I do think we have one more pop to the upside before like you really sell off. So unless this is like, you know, basically effing everybody, look at that. We're still selling off on the SPY, which is nuts. The Nasdaq, same thing. Nasdaq should be the same. Yeah, Nasdaq should be the same. So I don't know if we'll see any kind of recovery soon. But if you want to recover, you have to wick all the way back up above this mid trend, right? So if you want to see any kind of bull movement, you have to recover all this back up to like 426.876, right? You have to be back above this mid trend. So you got to recover this, and then you have to push up, which is asking for a lot right now. So I'll see you guys later. Things are looking pretty bearish, but we'll see in maybe 2 more hours how we actually open up in the market. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.